Hello everyone. Now the machine in front of me is our 48 egg incubator. First, let's look at the control panel of the machine. We use 4-screen display: the temperature display screen, humidity display screen, hatching days display, egg turning countdown display. The keys include set key, reset key, up plus key, down minus key, on off key. Next, let's look at the internal structure of the machine. First, we will see the cover of the machine, including temperature sensor. The black box is humidity sensor. In the middle part, there is a fan. Then we will see the whole egg device. We use flower basket egg tray, 45 degrees left and right turning the eggs. There is oxygen hole through the bottom. It can prevent the eggs hypoxia. The machine is a multi-functional incubator which can hatch different types of poultry eggs. The egg rack is attached to the egg turning motor. Under the egg rack is a white hatching grid. 80 days after the eggs broke shell, the egg turning device can be removed and we can put the egg directly on the grid. At the bottom of the machine, there is a multi-water channel design to meet the needs of each stage. The machine uses transparent body. It is easy to observe the whole hatching process inside the machine. It can be used for research, teaching. We also have been working with a number of universities. There is a water hole at the side of the machine. We can add water from the outside. Well, we have learned about the structure of the machine. Now we will start operation. First, connect egg turner plug to the control plug. Close the lid and then press the power key. Most of the parameters have been set up already by the factory. You only need to set the temperature. So how to set the temperature? First, press the set key. By pressing plus or minus key to set the temperature you want. Then press the set key to save the figure. And we just set 38 degrees. Now we need to verify if the setting we just made is successful.